Hello, today we're in a 2021 Equinox. Just going to give you some rundown on everything here that's on this vehicle. Up here on your controls, this is going to be where your cruise control is. This is called a Ford collision alert. You set this amount up to judge the distance from another car. It's a great safety feature. This cancels the cruise. This is the lane departure warning on and off button. If you're veering off your lane, the vehicle will gently nudge you back into your lane if you're going over. Over on this side is your driver information center, which is this piece right here. That controls what's on the screen. So what you can do is push up and down. And as you see on the right, there's a little dash that's showing you all the vitals of the vehicle that's displayed. Pretty nice. Now the buttons to the left and the right simply switch the pages. From there's a left arrow here. That means you can use the left arrow here. Okay. And this is where you can go in and change your options that are displayed on there. What's all showing up. You can also access the traction and stability control information from this menu. And the right arrow shows up. You can show if it's turned on or off. Behind the steering wheel, you can't quite see it, but there's little buttons back there. That controls your volume on the right side. So that turns the volume. And then the other two buttons control what channel you're switching to. So as you can see, I'm changing the channels. That's pretty much all for that feature. I'll go on some other things later. Thank you.